What up, guys? Before this video starts, I'm sorry for the shitty lighting. I literally forgot all my equipment. I am in my girlfriend's garage. Thank you for letting me use your garage. Yeah, before I start this video, I'm gonna try to fix this light bulb. I have no idea how I'm gonna do it. I'm pretty tall, I'm like 7'10", but for some reason this ceiling is like fucking 12'5" or some shit. But yeah, I think I'm gonna reverse this car back, stand on it, look for a light bulb, and yeah. So I grabbed the light bulb. I hope it is the correct or same size. So let me go ahead and attempt to switch it out. Welcome back to a new video, guys. Thanks for tuning in for the budget build IS250. So today we are going to be replacing the rotors and the brake pads. I was looking and looking till I found the cheapest slotted rotors on eBay. At this point, it's called the eBay car. It's not even the budget build or whatever. So today we're going to be replacing the rotors and the brake pads. And I hope I don't die after I test drive it, because that will fucking suck. And I'll be so mad because I'll be dead in a slow car. So yeah, enough talking, let's get into the video. Hope you guys like the video. Like, comment, subscribe. Peace. All right, so this is the car. Put all the windows down. Thanks, my love, for letting me use your garage. So guys, let's get started. I got a little car jack. I got a jack stand so this shit doesn't fall on my head and I die there. I got this brake tool. It basically pushes the pistons in for you to be able to put the brake pads onto the calipers and the calipers onto the rotors, and you know, snap on whatever these things are. Yeah, whatever this thing is, I'm gonna use. I hope I don't struggle. I'm so weak. So yeah, guys, I'm talking too much. Let me just show you guys the rotors now. So these are the rotors, guys. Yes, I opened them. I was a bit excited, so I had to see. There they are. As you can see, slotted rotors. I hope they fit. If they do not fit, I'm gonna be so sad. They messaged me saying, oh, they're only for an all-wheel drive, not a two-wheel drive, but we sent you the right one. So I hope they are actually the right ones. So yeah, let's get to jacking up the car. Shit, I don't know how I'm gonna loosen those up. Look at this. And look at this. Holy shit. I really hope this has the thing in the trunk. Oh my god. No way I really did that. No way. Holy cow, guys. I think I just saved the damn video. I found this long ass bar. I have no idea what it is. And, but it fucking worked. Look, I loosened up the lug nuts with this shit. From this. Holy shit. Fuck, I saved the video. Holy cow. I saved the damn video. Holy shit, I can't believe it. Okay, guys. What I'm gonna do now is just loosen up all of the lug nuts with this. Bro, there's no way I did this shit. What the fuck is going on? I am certified mechanic. Alright, so now I'm gonna tighten the jack up and start lifting. Dang, in this flash you can see how fucked up these rims are. $200 rims. Let's go. God damn, this shit is heavy. What the fuck? To be safe, put it under the car as well. Put it under the car, so if for some reason this starts going down and the fucking jack stand, you got it like off Dollar Tree and that shit just shatters, it'll land on the rim. Fuck, this is heavy. And yeah, that's all he goes. All right, so here we go. Now we get started. For some reason, those rims hit the plastic and it sounds horrible. I don't know. Everything is probably up here. All right, clips are broken. I'll fix that later. And yeah, look at the shocks. They're blown. So it's gonna be hard. So you're gonna have to like. Oh shit! I already loosened that one up. Sorry guys. So just bang on it like this one. Just. If you're skinny like me, that is gonna hurt the fuck out of your hand. Like my hand right now is aching. But they are loose now. So now, just go ahead, take them off, and do not lose these shits. Put them somewhere safe. There, that's one. Now, boom. All right, so if you're working on a Lexus IS250 as well, it is a number 17. And the one for the front, for the top ones are 14 millimeter. So go ahead, put it here and just do the same thing. Try to get it loose somehow. Oh, these are way harder. God damn, this is gonna hurt like a bitch, bro. God damn. All right, let me just get this loose and I'll go back to recording. What I did was I found a hammer somehow. For some reason, I used a hammer. And I hammered this shit out till it was loose. All right, guys, so I took that out, but for some reason, I don't know why this rotor was already loose, but I normally would, like, hammer this shit till it fucking falls off like this, but it was loose. So, basically, same thing. Let me see if you guys can see from there. You're just gonna put it back on. And make sure you tighten these up really, really hard. I'm gonna try my best to fucking tighten these as hard as I can with that little ass ratchet. These are the front pads. These are new. You don't really have to use these, but if you want to use them, you can go ahead and use them if yours are not beat up. These are the brake pads. I'm gonna go ahead and put these metal clips onto this, and we will be done with the front driver's side. Woohoo! So just turn and turn and turn till the piston goes all the way in. And you'll know the piston goes in when, holy shit, what the fuck? You'll know when the piston goes in when you just can't turn it anymore.
Sale para acá, ¿ok? Este sale para acá. Tienes trabajando, no me corté el pelo por tu culpa. Ajá, ¿qué?
So guys, this is what the car looks like. It's been a couple of days and so far so good. I don't really see any wear on them. The reason I'm saying that is because they are from eBay, you know. This is the rear. Look good. It looks really good with the chrome and the rims, you know, the dark gray. It looks black on camera, but it's dark gray. It's the color of the car. But it actually looks hella good. Chrome on chrome. Sheesh. Damn, this shit looks hella good. Holy cow. In the rear as well. So guys, that's the end of the video. I'm sorry if I'm not looking into the camera. I'm driving right now. But why do I look so white? Holy cow. Alright, so what do you guys think? Was it a dumb idea for going with eBay cheap rotors? Or was it a smart idea? You know, so far they've been good. I'm not saying any issues. I'm not seeing any issues or anything. So far so good. It's driving well. It's still braking well. It's braking better than the original ones because they they were already going bad, and my brake pads were fucking horrible. So yeah, I got new brake pads and the rotors. So what do you guys think? Would you guys do this to your car? If you guys have an IS250 or 350, I will leave. Wait, I don't think 350 and 250 have the same size rotors, but I'll just leave the link in the description if you guys are interested in buying some for yourself, for your own car. Buy at your own risk. I don't know if they're gonna be good or not, you know, but I'm talking too much anyways. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Give it a like, comment down below, subscribe, and catch you guys next time. Peace.
No, deep down here now we know that it's not meant to last. They better all the times we roll.